name of the game. Empress and I will have to create a full sentence using one word each at a time. So I do a word, Empress do a word, I do a word, Empress do a word, till we finish the sentence. So the sentence is harrow. Harrow is
A
miserable.
man.
See there?
Easy.
Next
Next.
sentence. Men are
Stimulating.
powerful.
Interrogating.
Human.
I wish man I interrogate me.
I don't know which. Hey, you know, it's like every morning Empress come at work, Stephen must have said to himself, thank
know,
God.
I know.
Because she said some things on the program, you know.
I know.
Where him get, yes, him get
he
Halika.
does. He does. All right, next word.
Oh, diamonds are
Stolen. Diamonds are stolen
from
Africa by
diamond stealer.
There you go. Diamonds are stolen from African diamonds. So what's it? Yeah,
Diamonds are
steal-
stolen from Africa by
diamond
diamond
stealer.
stealers. Okay.
We're writing a book now, Delia.
Exercise.
2.
Develop.
Non-communicable
Diseases. But
nice,
exercise
nice,
make you develop non-communicable.
What's it? To help you not?
So not, yeah.
What did I say?
So just add
yeah.
not. Just add not.
We forgot not.
Exercise to develop non-communicable diseases. Not.
Not to develop.
Not.
Okay.
You can't put the not at not.
Yeah, we missed out a word. Backspace. Put it in. Okay, moving on.
Food.
Turns. Food turns. Come on, Data. Read my
People.
mind. On. Hungry.
See there?
What time is breakfast?
The
What time is
sentence
it?
them not for long.
Or do we want to make long sentences?
No.
Oh, okay.
The
okay.
sentence is finished.
Okay, all right.
She says food turns people
On.
on.
It turns you on, starts your engine for the day. That's what I mean.
TVJ. What?
Kind.
What kind
We're working with.
of
Man.
TVJ
TVJ. What kind of man? Sentence.
works
On
the
Wednesday
morning?
program.
Have mercy.
Question mark. Is he watching this morning?
Lord have mercy.
Tomorrow we'll deal with it.
I was heading at what an amazing station.
I know, but I had to take it somewhere else because, we all know that. But the question we haven't answered is what kind of man works on a Wednesday morning program? What kind of man? The one that irritates my spirit? No, I joke.
You irritate you?
I joke. He is so people who are quietly loud, like passive, but loud. You know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying?
I'm understanding.
You work with him sometimes. I mean, and to my people, when I come on road, like my Old Harbor crew, big up on yourself, Dede, big up yourself, and everybody else, Andrea, that cook up the food on the weekend. Stop asking me about Neville when I come to certain places.
Everybody asks me, man. Ask me for you and Simone as well.
Yeah, but that's fine. But to ask me about Neville? No, I joke. Neville, you know we love you.
That's
Anyway,
your Wednesday husband,
the
girl.
Wednesday man.
Next thing, you can't give me no more than this. Oh my gosh. Colson.
Colson.
Destabilizes.
The nation. There you go.
Spirit.
Done?
And
And
mind.
yes. There we go. Next one.
Prince
Is
someone
in
the is someone in the
production
department
and
he
is, my word is for everything.
very he is very
Fit
in
his
mind
and
he
regularly
thinks
he
is
in
charge
of.
everybody.
All right, there you go. Sentence done. Next one.
Empress should
Empress should speak
softly
at no time
when
she
is
dead. Until
the
time
or
moment
arises
Empress
will
never
be
quiet. Tell them again, tell them again, tell them again. Whoa. Let me tell you something.
no, you don't have to tell me. We know.
All right. You ready? All right, let's go now. That one. now.
Delia has
Disorders
that
instigate
Empress
to
do
dangerous
and
and what? Less
than
miss the sentence. Appropriate,
things
which is true. Listen, Delia will try out, make it do some things which not right.
Lord.
Okay, careful. Watch your friends, Watch your
Money
friends.
makes
The
crazy
materialistic
people.
mad.
See it there? Before we go,
All right.
Troy Salmon, by the way, Captain's Bakery called to say that they found your documents. I know you went back there last night. They said to find them, and they didn't find them at that time. They now have it, so please return for your documents. I know you have to travel, so you need to retrieve them. So there you go.
Well, that's good news.
Yes.
And the good news as well, top of the show, we found that the man that escaped quarantine is now back in quarantine at 2 a.m. this morning. So we're glad for that.
The day are going good.
Yes.
They are going good.
Smile will soon come, and we'll be telling you about how to make bold fashion statements. The Angel shares her secrets with us after the break.